Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Wild Game Cooking with Second Habit Outdoors. On this week's episode, we're going to show you how to make a delicious walleye bisque. The ingredients you'll need for this is walleye fillets, celery, an onion, fresh thyme, clam juice or fish stock, paprika, cayenne, white pepper, tomato paste, and heavy cream. Start things off by pouring your clam juice into a small saucepan and bringing it to a boil. Continue letting the clam juice boil until some of it evaporates. This will give it a better taste for the bisque. While the clam juice boils, cut your walleye fillets into smaller chunks. Next, in a large saucepan, bring water to a boil and add a teaspoon of salt. You can then add any seasoning of your choice to the water. I chose seasoned salt with some Cajan. Let the water boil with the seasonings in it for 2 or 3 minutes, then place your fish fillets in the water. Let the fish boil for 11 or 12 minutes or until it becomes flaky. While the fish boils, you can dice your onion and chop up your celery. After your fish is cooked, remove it from the pot and set aside on a separate plate. In a medium-sized saucepan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add 1/4 cup of chopped celery, 1/2 cup of diced onion, 1 teaspoon of thyme, and 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Cook on a medium heat for 4 or 5 minutes or until the onions have become translucent. Next, add 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of Cajan seasoning, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of white pepper. Then add in 2 cups of your reduced clam juice. It looks like 4, but I'm using a 1/2 cup measuring cup. Then add your 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Stir and let simmer for about 8 minutes. After the 8 minutes of simmering, add in your heavy whipping cream, followed by 3 tablespoons of butter. Stir until the butter is completely melted, and then let cook for 1 additional minute. Using an immersion blender, blend the contents thoroughly. Lastly, in a pan, melt 1 tablespoon of butter. Add your fish to the butter and cook on a medium heat. Using a spatula, break down the chunks of fish to smaller pieces. It's optional, but you can add a little Cajan seasoning to the fish. Remember, the fish is already cooked, so only reheat for 2 or 3 minutes. Finally, add the fish into the bisque, stir, and serve. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe in the top left, or check out some more wild game cooking on the right. Till then, have a good one.